In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google, focusing specifically on how to record a presentation using Google Slides. Google Slides is a popular tool for creating presentations, often used in both educational and professional settings. But recording a presentation in Google Slides might not be as straightforward as it seems, given that it doesn't have a native recording feature. However, with a little help from your device and some simple steps, you'll soon be capturing your presentations seamlessly. First, let's begin by preparing your Google Slides presentation. Make sure it's finalized with all the slides arranged in the order you want, and all the elements like text, images, and any animations or transitions are in place. This preparation is crucial as it allows you to focus solely on your delivery without needing to make tweaks once you start recording. Next, you'll want to open a screen recording tool on your computer. For Windows users, the Xbox Game Bar is a built-in option, and Mac users can use QuickTime Player. Alternatively, there are several free online tools available. With your screen recorder ready, open your Google Slides presentation in the browser. It's a good idea to clear any distractions, such as unnecessary browser tabs or notifications that could pop up while you're recording. Once you're all set, start presenting your slides in full screen mode. This ensures that only the slides are visible during the recording, creating a professional and polished look. Then, begin the screen recording and start your presentation. Remember to speak clearly and at a steady pace, narrating your slides just like you would in a live presentation. As you proceed through the slides, point out specific details, explain your main points, and use any notes you've prepared. If your screen recorder allows, consider recording your webcam simultaneously. This can create a more engaging presentation by adding a personal touch. When you're done presenting, stop the screen recording. Before wrapping things up, review your recorded presentation to ensure everything has been captured correctly. Pay attention to both the visual and audio quality. If necessary, use a video editing tool to make adjustments like trimming the beginning or end, adding annotations, or enhancing the audio. Finally, save your presentation in your preferred format. Depending on your needs, you might upload it to a platform like YouTube, share it via cloud storage, or incorporate it into a slideshow for a presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a presentation using Google Slides. With this guide, you'll be able to create professional-grade recordings that communicate your message effectively and engage your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.